Hey everybody, this is Eric with Adventure Experience here in one of the beauties of Grand Canyon. This is Shinuma Wash campsite. This is Silver Grotto. I'm just saying, if you guys have any chance to ever come to Grand Canyon, you want to make sure you're doing the most out of it. You want to make sure you're coming to all the cool places. And may I say, this is one of them right here. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not your tour guide. I'm not telling you how to do it right. I'm not telling you how to do it wrong. I'm just saying, in life, in the Grand Canyon, make sure you catch the highlights. Don't be working through your kid's birthday. Don't be pushing back vacation. No. Get out there, do it. You'd be amazed what a day at the lake with your family does for your kids' memories for years to come, right? Let's face it, you and I remember it too. Those crazy campsite times, right, with our parents, right? Jammed in a car, road tripping across the US. We cherish those memories, even though it was crazy. Make those memories happen for your kid. Don't miss it in the Grand Canyon. Don't miss it in life. This is Eric with Adventure Experience. I'll catch you on another episode very soon.